And we can go to the next step of our training, creating a new type of wall. So I will remove these 4 types, go again to the wall tool, and I will choose to edit type to create a new type of wall. So first we have here type properties window, family is system family basic wall, and type exterior brick on CMU. In our template, which we read in our project, there are many types of walls, but I would like to create a new one which will be based on exterior brick on CMU, and I will choose to duplicate, and Revit by default add suffix to the name of the type, but you can change it as you want it. I will change it for exterior wall training and click OK. So first thing we should focus on is the structure of the wall, which is hidden right over here over edit. So we have our new context window, edit assembly. I will change the length of it to see all the parameters clearly, and here we have the structure of our wall. For exterior wall it's quite complicated. We have first of all exterior side of the wall, and on the other side we have interior side, and here we have some separate layer with function, material, thickness, and we can even set if this wall is prop or is it a structural material. So first we have some function with priorities in braces right over here. So structure is 1 priority, substrate is 2nd priority, thermal layer 3. We can show our droplets for each layer and change the function freely. We need to only remember that membrane layer is always 0 thickness, and we have to focus that our priorities must grow or be equal from the center of the wall to the sides. As you can see, we have here so 1, 2, 3, 4, and the same is right over here 1, 2, 5. It don't have to be one after another, so it don't have to be. We can skip some priorities, but they should set right there, because Revit wouldn't allow us to confirm the structure of the wall. And we can freely insert any new layer or delete as well. There are also option of change the position of the layer if we want it to go up or if we want it to go down. So next thing, there are material. As we click on this little gray symbol right over here with 3 dots, we are going to the material browser in our Revit. So in our template, as you can see, we have many materials, and if we click any search right here like air, we have all materials which include vocabulary air in the name of it. And now I am able to set my structure material for new one. I will insert edong and choose my cement blocks as structure. Now I can edit thickness of my material to 20 centimeters. Let's change finish. Select from the material browser template. And change thickness to 8 millimeters. I will leave 2 centimeters for air, thermal air layer, and change rigid insulation into function thermal air layer with 12 thickness. I will leave damp proofing as membrane and 0 thickness. As I said before, membrane is only one prior, which defines that thickness should be 0. If I insert even 1 millimeter here, Revit wouldn't allow to close me the editor, so I change it back to 0. And finish exterior I will leave as it is with metal fairing and gypsum wallboard. So to accept my wall I will click OK. Now OK. And now I can draw my wall on core center line using line. Once again, quick check is everything is right like I want it. So base constraint, tab constraint, and now by drawing all my grids with prims, I will draw the exterior walls of my ground floor. I will zoom in, and now I will add arc to my wall joints by using fillet arc and showing the wall which I want to use. And as you can see, my wall is in wrong direction, so to change it I click on it and change a location line for it to wall center line, and I can mirror it. And for the second corner I go to tool wall once again, choose fillet arc, show two walls, and here the same. My orientation wall is wrong, so I change the location line and flip it. Just for the second to use my temporary dimension, I will change location line for finish face interior. And now by using temporary dimension I can set the arc of interior in my both fillet. Double click to zoom all my building, and this is how we create our new wall types.